Good morning, my name is Dr. Vadim Dedov, and I am director of MDXD, and this is presentation of our application to the New South Wales Medical Device Fund 2015. Last year, our medical device device was criticized for the lack of commercial case and ways of its integration into clinical practice. This year, we propose an innovative healthcare service which is based on medical exercise technology. The health effects of physical activity are well known, and exercise training is being promoted by the health authorities and relevant peak bodies. In Australia, a total of several million patients would benefit from sustained exercise rehabilitation. However, the current exercise rehabilitation practice is based on face-to-face patient training with the therapist, so that the need significantly exceeds the capacity of the healthcare system. Unfortunately, most patients can't exercise by themselves because diseases, comorbidities such as obesity and age reduce their endurance and strength. The medical health service represents technology-based alternative to the current exercise rehabilitation service. The concept is that instead of bringing each patient to the gym for training, all patients can be provided with a scientifically developed medical exercise training device to use at the point of care under remote supervision by the exercise specialist. According to our business model, MDXD or MDXD's franchisees will install medical exercise devices at places where the patients can use them every day. The healthcare providers will subscribe to our online service to have ongoing access to the recordings of training activity with devices of all patients regardless of their location. Analyzed data will be provided in form of automatic notification to smart devices of therapists and regular reports to the doctors for each patient. In the result, patients will have at hand compact and expensive training equipment and know the required volume of device usage to achieve every day. The health providers will be able to adapt training programs to their patient needs and will receive automatic notifications of non-compliance to intervene only when it's needed. There is a number of advantages of this service, including scalability and cost effectiveness, as well as compatibility with e-health technology and removal geographical boundaries for exercise rehabilitation services. In conclusion, we believe that medical exercise project not only fits the medical device fund criteria, but also was funded otherwise. The technology is in an advanced stage of development and ready for implementation in the health system. Thank you for your attention.